Say you were partying on Friday, Saturday. It's okay to miss that pool party on Sunday. Even if you work during the week, Monday through Friday, and you're burnt tired from the weekday and you don't feel like partying Friday night, you want to get that extra sleep, it's totally cool. It's not as uncommon as you think. You don't have to be at that party. It's okay to take care of yourself before worrying about other people. What's up, Blake? You want to go to a party?
Yo, bro, I don't really know about that. Dude, I'm hella wiped out from last night, man. That party, so long, bro, so long. I think me and the boys upstairs are gonna go bowling. You're welcome to come if you want.
Actually, Megan and Ashley are coming over pregame. Megan's a friend of Ashley's, dude. If you want to hang out with us, it'd be pretty fun, bro. And then we're going to Chad's fraternity party after, so it's up to you, man. But I'm just saying it'd be really fun. So I take it you're a freshman here?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm a sophomore. He's a freshman as well.
Cool.
So what's your input at the party scene here? Do you go to a bunch of parties? Do you like parties?
I don't go to a ton of them.
Okay.
I mean, not in like Greek life or anything, but look out a little bit.
Sure. How many times, would you say, maybe a week that you would go out and party?
Well, normal month, maybe I don't know, 15 days.
15 days? Okay.
So.
Sounds good. Now, how big of an impact do you think that partying has on college students on campus?
Like the grades or the way they act?
Yeah, everything. Grades, the way they act.
I mean, I think you get your schoolwork done and allow yourself to have the extra free time. You can go dick around. But
Absolutely.
If you don't get your stuff done and you try to go party and then you're behind,
Yeah.
then you screw yourself.
Absolutely. Do you feel like partying is the only kind of way to have fun on campus? Definitely. And what are some other options you may?
I mean, you can go to study groups, you can go ride your longboard around, you can go hang out with friends, anything.
Okay. Awesome. And besides partying, what do you do for fun on campus?
Fun? Well, not really too much on campus. I rock climb a lot.
Awesome.
And then I'm also on the water ski team here, so we go out and ski a bunch. So.
Oh, good deal.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thanks, Alec. That's it.
For sure.
Appreciate the interview, man.
Yeah.
So what is your input on the parties in here at ASU? Do you go to parties? Do you like parties?
I don't go. A lot of my friends go. I've gone a couple times, but it's not really nice.
Okay. And why is it? You go to parties and find them to be not fun?
I don't know. I'm more of like a stay-at-home type of person.
Okay.
I've gone out a couple times to try to enjoy it, and then every time I go, there's too many people for me, and
Okay.
I just being at home watching Netflix.
Sure. Okay. So what do you normally do then on the weekends or for fun?
I work a lot, and then I like to go to eat, and I like to hang out with my friends, but in a not crazy setting. So in our dorms we'll hang out, or we'll go to the pool a lot, but not really necessarily vacation.
Okay, very cool. And do you think partying is all part of the college experience? Do you think everyone should be out partying every weekend?
I don't know. I don't think you have to be necessarily.
Okay.
I don't go out too often. I think I'm doing okay, but I think it's definitely a part of it. Like, I think all schools party, even if it's just a little bit, and it's a way to like socialize and get to know a lot of people. So I think it's not necessarily bad. It's just, but I also think that if you don't do it, it's not gonna like kill your experience in school.
Absolutely, we totally agree with that. Well, thank you, Lauren. That was the interview. Thank you very much.
Questions, I don't know if we're gonna include just like name, grade level, just basic questions about that. You'll knock it out of the park. So you ready?
Yep.
Is it going?
Yep, we're good.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I'm Blake. That's Andrew. What's your name?
Calvin,
What grade are you?
freshman.
Oh, dope. All right. So what's your opinion on the party scene here at ASU?
I think that it's overhyped. Like everyone thinks ASU is a party school, and it's not. You know, like you can party harder any college you go to, but like you go to the Midwest, at least they have. That's where I'm from. And,
Oh, okay. Where about?
Illinois.
Oh, dope. Yeah.
And like all my buddies go to U of I, and
Yeah.
I went there for break and like
Oh, we're Urbana Champaign.
yeah,
Oh, dope.
and like they don't have anything else to do besides parties. Like we got like nice weather and shit.
Yeah. So you do agree there's like more stuff to do here, though, right? It's not that you're just bored and miserable here.
Well, it's the desert still, but it's like it's a big city and definitely more than cornfields in the Midwest.
Yeah.
But it all depends on what you want to do.
Yeah.
If you're boring, you're just gonna go do drugs.
You're just gonna go to so what are you? So yeah, what made you want to come to ASU? Just out of curiosity.
I just like wanted to go somewhere different.
Oh, okay.
Like I've never been to the desert before, and like you get an education anywhere now. So, yeah. And like I was like thinking like somewhere on the West Coast, possibly in Colorado. Or something. But then I saw they had a pretty good engineering program here. Got that. Great decision. I'm not in engineering anymore. I'm in design, environmental design.
Oh,
like pretty much just like general design. Pretty much, I pretty much picked my
it's
whole
just so
schedule.
Great.
I said like pretty much like 5.
No, nice. It's 5 times easier. Yeah. And then just like, what do you normally do like on the like weekends for fun? Like, what would you say is like a fun weekend?
Well, I've been sober since October. I stopped partying after I dropped out of my fraternity, or not my fraternity, it's not mine, but the fraternity I was pledging.
Yeah.
And yeah, like I realized that in high school, like we were partying because like we were all friends and stuff. Now you party to feel like you fit in. You drink to like feel more comfortable around people you don't know. And it's just awkward. I'm like, dude, I don't want to force myself into this situation.
Absolutely, I feel that.
So yeah, I don't even like. I try to do the least amount of substance as possible. Like I don't even drink coffee. Like anything that alters my mood that I throw a lie on for something in my life.
Yeah, I completely understand.
Yeah, so it's been hard, man. Like
Especially with all the influence.
yeah, so I always say like, if you're not creative with your time, you're gonna get bored and do drugs. That's my thing. Man. That's the. I think it's fine.
Yeah. How do you think like the hookup scene like correlates to like the party scene when you were involved with it?
I never hooked up with any random person here. When I was like when I was like in the scene, kind of, I was just kind of like felt super awkward, man. I was just like at this party that like I was going to as like you're like pot scum there compared to, it's just like competition.
Yeah.
Like you go to a party and like
You're just trying to be the alpha.
but you're trying to fuck. Like
Yeah.
what's the point? Like you don't even care about the people here. Yeah.
That hits what I was trying to do. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So yeah, just out of curiosity, what's your stance on like the party scene? Like, do you actively participate or?
Yeah, I'll go to a few parties, every now and again.
All right, perfect. So like, how often? Like, how many times a week?
Maybe
Or a month.
twice.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What really like? Just why do you go? What's the biggest influence?
I mean, just something fun to do in my free time, with my work, something to do on steam.
So what do you do on the weekend that's like fun with your free time that's not work?
Sometimes I'll go to a movie, play some sports, go play basketball, something like that, hang out with friends.
Oh, good. What made you want to like what? Yeah. Well, I was trying to hit on with my earlier question. Is like why the influencer. Like, what is it? Like your friends? Like, what makes you like?
I mean, parties are always a good
Yeah.
chance to hang out with your friends, obviously, meet girls, whatever.
Yeah.
So like,
But like, is your biggest objective to like chill with the bros?
for the most part,
girls?
yeah. Get girls, chill with the bros,
Yeah. Yeah. So like, and how do you think like the party scene and the hookup scene correlate? Like, do you think it's
they're pretty hand in hand.
They're pretty hand in hand. So yeah, there's no question between you and you think that like, and do you think that like alcohol plays a role in it, or like what do you think?
I mean,
Like, what do you think the characteristics of like the hookup scene are?
I mean, for the most part, there's a lot of people here, so there's not a whole lot of relationships going on and stuff like that. So most, like 9 times out of 10, the girls you meet are gonna be at the party. It's just like not really people going on dates or whatever. Like you just meet people at parties. So and like alcohol and stuff like that, it can play a role. It doesn't have to, but it can, obviously. So yeah. I have to say that.
And you said people here don't really have relationships. Like, is there a reason for
I
that?
mean, at least like as freshmen, people who are like maybe younger grades, freshmen, sophomore, it's just like a lot of people have that stance where being in a relationship at our age is kind of like not smart.
Yeah.
Almost because one, there's so many people here who's gonna keep meeting new people, and two, because like kind of young, just like been free while we can. And then, you see a lot more relationships like juniors and seniors because they're almost done with school, so it's like we're about to get to the real world.
Yeah. All right. Well, Bert, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. So what's your input on the party scene here at ASU?
They're definitely trying to take the parties aspect out of ASU. We're working to try to minimalize that, but it's still a presence. It'll be a presence everywhere at every college.
Yeah. Wait. What makes like what specifics do you say that are making you do that?
I think for a while back it was a little out of control here.
Yeah.
And so they're just trying to get a little hand on it.
Oh, okay. But how are they doing that? Like, and are they doing it effectively?
I think they're trying to take it kind of out of the group life and making ASU a dry campus. That's their main goal. But I think it's working pretty well. There's always going to be a party in every campus. You look hard enough, you're going to find it.
How many parties are you going to per week? What? Oh shit. Okay. Yeah.
Probably like 1 or 2 per week.
One or two, decent. What really makes you like want to go to? Like, what's your drive behind it?
It's just a good time. Just something to do to relax, have fun.
Oh, okay. Like, is there any specifics? Like, what's your favorite aspect of it? Would it be like slamming the shots, getting the girls, hanging with the bros?
Boozing or women? Probably either or.
Either or. Is it bros, booze, or what? Like, what are we talking?
Honestly, just hanging out with your bros for the most part.
Oh, okay. Are you saying that?
No, I'm serious. Just hanging out with your boys.
Yeah. No question. What made you like really like? Did you do this before you came to ASU? Or
A
is this
little
like,
bit.
oh, okay. Yeah.
It's just on a bigger scale here.
Yeah. What influenced you when you got here to like take more?
I don't know. It's just something to do. You know, like coming down here from like a small town, just come down here by myself, meet friends, and then your friends just go out. And you're like, oh, I'm gonna go out too.
Okay. Where are you from originally?
I'm from Idaho.
Oh, dope.
Yeah.
Dope. Where in Idaho?
Moscow, Idaho. It's like northern.
Yeah, right next to Pullman.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we got it. Yeah, I think we got it. Thank you so much. No problem. What's like your input on like the party scene like itself?
I think that parties are fun if they're like conducted right. So like with music and people, obviously, but alcohol and weed and like all that kind of stuff is necessary for me. I think that it's just like the atmosphere that matters.
Yeah.
Enough space, air conditioning,
Yeah.
water. I think that's pretty much it.
The main, those are the big three.
Yeah.
So as long as it's got those three, you're fine.
Uh-huh.
Perfect. How often do you go to these parties?
I go out maybe once a month, if that, or twice a month. And I don't go out a lot, so when I do go out, it's like a big deal. So,
Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, I feel that.
yeah.
What normally like influences you to go to like these events?
if I had like a long week and want to get out and go somewhere, have a good time, or if my friends are all gonna go, then I might go with my friends because they like to go out too. So if we're all bored, just go to a party.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
So yeah, like and like at the party, like what are you looking for at the party? Like what is is it mainly to hang with your friends?
I like to dance.
like-
So I like to dance at parties. I like to
Yeah.
get dressed up really cute. So I like to go and get cute first and then go. My friends are all there, make Snapchats, listen to music, so
Oh, okay. You like
A social
So
hour.
you like more of like like the quote unquote like pregame. Is that
Yeah.
like you like that a lot?
I don't drink, so like the pre-gaming doesn't matter to me, but like the social aspect
Yeah.
of it is my biggest goal. Like being
Oh, okay.
social is like making new friends.
Yeah.
That's my biggest objective.
Same with is that that's your goal like before and after? Oh, okay.
The socialized part.
Yeah.
Yep.
So like, and did you do this in high school or was ASU the biggest influencer?
Yeah, I didn't go out in high school that much. My
Oh.
friends and I hung out mostly like at our houses and stuff like that, but partying was not a thing I did in high school. So when I got to ASU, I had a bigger friend group, so we went out more.
Oh, okay, perfect. And how do you think like the party scene influences like the collegiate effect that ASU, like the collegiate experience?
Well, if it's cheap and it's close to campus, it's a better party because people aren't gonna go far. No Ubering has to happen. If it's farther away, people aren't gonna go to that because no one wants to drive that far. People drink too, so if you're gonna drink, you don't want to drink and drive. So driving and drinking car is not gonna correlate well. But I think that like mostly like apartments and stuff like that, those are always a hit because they're so convenient.
Yeah.
So
And what really like what I'm having trouble trying to describe this, but like what really makes you like
you wanna go?
yeah, well it's your friends and like your social.
That the DJ matters. Who's gonna be there? It's all girls, not gonna go because we don't hang out with a bunch of girls. So there's guys there. I'm gonna hang out with the guys too.
All right, well yeah, I think we got what we wanted. Thank you so much.
But thank you.
Hey, thank you very much.
Of course.
Yeah, what's just like your input on the parties?
Honestly, I don't go to very many parties, but I'm in club soccer and sometimes we like to have fun. But
I love the way you put that with it, like
Yeah.
That's absolutely.
but yeah, it's just I don't see much like living here at Tucker. I feel like
Yeah.
there's not as much partying as like the business school, you know?
Yeah, like living in Aussie or somewhere.
Yeah. So
You just don't think it's like, is it just not very visible to you?
yeah,
Say
I
in,
just
like,
like
your
I
bubble?
don't
You just
really
don't
see people.
Yeah.
I never see people coming home drunk, like even in the morning, really early. Yeah, like I'm not in a sorority either, and like that's
Yeah,
kind of
okay.
also like I don't see parties very often. So yeah.
Yeah. Do you like that? Like, did you party at all in high school?
I didn't party very much. I was never really much of one. But I was thinking about joining sorority more for like all the friendships
the
and
social
connections. Yeah. But
Yeah, so like, are you perfectly content with like your stance on it?
yeah, I'm fine. It would be cool if like I don't know, I could like find out about more a little more easily, but it's fine.
So yeah, you're doing it. So just to make this clear, are you doing it more? Are you not participating because you don't want to, or just because it's like not right in front of your face?
Probably a little bit of both. Like some weekends I want to, but like I can't find a party.
Yeah,
But
absolutely.
others it's like I just don't want to.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Thanks.
Have a good day.
You too.
So, like, what is your personal involvement with the hookup / party scene? Would you say?
I just guess it happens around here like pretty often because it's just like individual decision, like it's what you decide to do, you can do it or not do it. So it just really depends on the individual.
But yeah, like, what's your individual? Like, do you normally party? Like,
I party once in a while sometimes.
yeah. Well, what makes you want to do it?
I don't know, just want to do something. I'm bored, I guess. Try to do something fun. Get around.
So yeah, like, what's like the biggest influencer for you to make you go to like the parties?
Mostly boredom. I just want to find like a social activity.
Social activity. So it's mainly like the social, like, hey, you normally go with your friends and like talk to them,
Yeah.
or do you normally just
Normally
go with like
friends.
like how
Normally
many
go
like?
with friends. Like with like 3-4 friends.
Okay.
And then
you just talk to that, is that like your big pusher? Like who like influences you to go? Is it like a person, a thing? Is it like your boredom or?
I guess like all my friends and I just like decided we all want to do something, so like that's what we decided to end up doing.
And you don't feel like it like hurts your like the collegiate experience at ASU at all? Or do you believe?
I think like if you did it like too much, like it could hurt like you in a way, but like I don't think it makes it bad if you do it like once in a while.
So it's about responsibility.
Yeah, it just depends how like you balance everything out.
Oh, okay. And what do you think is, what do you say is a relationship between like hooking up and partying?
I guess hooking up is more like you and someone else.
Yeah. Well, what do you think like the correlation is between them?
I guess like people who like hook up and party at the same time.
Yeah.
I guess like people who hook up and party like try to like come in with the intention to do it.
Yeah.
Like it's usually like going to girl like kind of show up. You know?
So are you thinking like they have to plan before they come? Like that's the original
They kind of
goal
like
for
come
some
with a
people?
plan or they kind of just happens.
Oh, okay.
But like most people who hook up like usually have those intentions.
Okay. And what do you think makes people like have those intentions? Like if you were to take a guess. Yes, they want the desire?
Yeah.
Alright, perfect. Alright, thank you so much.
Alright, it's like,
Have a good day.
right.
Hello? Hey, what's up, Ashley? Oh, you're not doing the party anymore? Oh, man, that's too bad. Alright, well, yeah, I'm still gonna go. I'm gonna pregame. Alright, yeah, do your thing. Alright, we'll see you later. Bye. Ash? Well, this sucks. I think I'm gonna go bowling instead.
Nice going, Bill! Andrew, man, how's it going?
Oh, what's up, Blake?
Dude, solid, man. How was the party?
The party? I didn't end up going actually. You know, plans changed, and I decided bowling would be a better time.
Wait, what?
Well, it turns out that, like I said, I guess plans changed, and the pregame was no longer, so I decided to go bowling.
Well, sick, dude.
Yeah.
Messed up. Yeah, Bill and Will are killing it over here.
Awesome, dude.
Oh, yeah,
let's do it. Yeah, it turns out, you know, after the two parties I was at this weekend, you know, there's a boy today, Megan ditched me, but I just thought, I don't really want to party today. I'd rather be out with my buddies, having fun. I know that I could just be having as much fun, if not more, with my buddies instead of drinking or partying. So I think I'm just going to take today easy and have a good time with my buddies.
So after concluding the interviews, we have found out that people don't party as much as we thought, and people are doing other fun things on the weekend than we thought. What originally we thought when we started this project was people were totally blowing off the most important things and party. Now we're seeing that it's not as common and that people are taking that time off and doing what actually needs to be done, and that's how we really wanted to see. Thank you.